A flying baseball bat shattered his face and changed everything. Success isn't about a single lucky break. It's about the tiny, consistent choices you make every day. Today, we master the system that turns small efforts into a radical transformation.
Part 1. Introduction: The History of Tiny Habits. There was no way James Clear could have known that an accident as a teenager would lead to his future career. But after learning the power of tiny habits in his life, he decided to share his insights and help others do the same. And it all started with a bat. When Clear was a sophomore in high school, he dreamed of playing professional baseball. Then, one day, a teammate lost control of a bat he was swinging, and it hit Clear in the face. Clear suffered skull fractures as a result and was placed in an induced coma at the hospital. After waking up, Clear found that the damage from his injuries had hindered his ability to see and perform certain motor functions. After a year of rehabilitation, Clear was back on the field, but his ability to play baseball was diminished. Still, he wanted to reclaim his dream. Clear went to a small college where he was able to walk onto the baseball team. He still wasn't back to his previous skill level, but instead of partying with his teammates, he started making small changes to help build his strength and confidence. He went to bed early, kept his dorm room tidy, created a daily study routine, and lifted weights several times each week. As his habits grew, so did his grade point average. He increased his muscle mass and, over the next 4 years, became one of the top athletes at the school, receiving national attention for his prowess on the field and in the classroom. There was nothing extraordinary about Clear's recovery or training that led to his success. Rather, a series of small choices built up over time and allowed him to reach his potential. He became motivated to learn more about the power of habits and studied both cognitive and behavioral sciences. Through his research, he developed a system to guide others in changing their lives and reaching their potential. This system is at the heart of Atomic Habits. New section. Note: the original book contains 6 parts with 17 chapters. We've condensed further for efficiency of learning. Part 1 follows the book's organization with the introduction and first 3 chapters. We cover Clear's catalytic experiences and the overall framework of Atomic Habits. Part 2 groups the 4 stages of habit formation into 4 chapters, corresponding to chapters 4 through 17 in the book. Each chapter provides a combined overview of how to understand and approach the individual stages of cue, craving, response, and reward. Part 3 groups the information from the final section and appendix in the book to deliver additional tips about creating lasting changes in your life through habits.
James Clear's journey shows that even after a devastating setback, tiny, consistent habits are the key to radical transformation. Success isn't a lucky break. It's a series of small choices built up over time. But why do so many people give up before they see results? In the next chapter, we deconstruct the trap of goals and reveal the hidden system that turns the valley of disappointment into your greatest breakthrough. Subscribe to Master Your Potential, like if you're ready to start small, and comment what's one tiny habit you're starting today. Your transformation continues right here.